Well, we were going to stay. We were going to stay upstairs, but we don't want to get stuck up there. So we just decided to go over the bridge. We're going to Long's. Like we're going to be the only ones here? No, I don't want to be the only person on Ocean Boulevard. And I am scared. I am, yes. I mean, they're making it like it's really, really bad, so that's why we're leaving.
We were going to bunker down, but then when the last two neighbors left, probably 10 blocks in both directions is gone, we have to adhere to the warnings. And I just hope that our community is the same when we come back. You know, that's the most devastating part. If you live here, this is your home. Like anywhere, you know, California fires, anywhere, you care about your community, your home, and that's the most important thing.
Low tide is way out, and I've never seen it sloped this much. It feels like a normal day at the beach. You don't feel like a storm is coming. It just feels like another beautiful day. I'm ready for it to come on already. I've been out of work too long. I'm ready to get things going, but safe than sorry.